Hello friends, Nagarro is hiring freshers from 19, 20 and 21 batch. So in this video we'll discuss about the opening and tell you how to apply for the off-campus drive of Nagarro. So Nagarro is a pretty decent company. They have around 6,500 employees and it was established in 1996 by Mr. Manmohan Gupta, who is also the founder of Vidya Mandir classes, the IT JEE coaching. So this is a good company to work for. It's a mid-sized company. It's not a huge company, but the quality of people and the quality of work is really good there. And the package is around 3.5 to 4 lakhs per annum for if you are from a mid-tier college, and if you are from a very good college like IITs or NITs, then the package is around 6.4 lakhs per annum. So let's discuss. So all you have to do is go to the homepage of the website, nagarro.com, click on careers. Then you have to click on view job offers. Okay, view job opportunities. Once you click here, right, you have to click here, view job offers. Once you click here, this page will open. You just have to write trainee here and search. The moment you search here, right, this job opening will get displayed. You have to click here and go through the details of the application. It says a few things about Nagarro, which I have already told you. It has around 6,500 people and it has presence in over 20 countries. So this is a good thing. The job role would be related to software development. So execute full software development lifecycle, SDLC. Develop flowcharts, layouts and documentation to identify requirements and solutions. Write well-designed testable code. So it could be for multiple different roles. So produce specifications, determine operational feasibility. You can read through all these things and you should be able to get a hang of it. Right? There are no degrees or specializations mentioned here, which means that if you are good in coding, you can apply. It doesn't matter whether you are a BSc student, BCA student, MSc student, BTech or MTech, right? So it would not matter. So a candidate should have good analytical ability to tackle problem handling. And they would also, these things are already mentioned, but you would also have to have good coding skills, and most probably the entrance or the selection process would be online, and you will have to go through an online coding round, coding plus MCQ. Right? It could be what they decide. It is not very clear as of now, but this would be the process. You just have to click on apply online here. So if you do not have your do not have an account already, then you just have to click on new user. So I also do not have an account, so let's go here, right? Accept this and write, let's say Prajul 2020, right? Could be anything. So fill in the details, then click on register. Just save this. Now your account has been created. Now it will redirect you to the details page. Select the document, which is let's say select the resume that you have, okay, and Prajwal's resume. Then you just have to click here and then it will get uploaded. It should be in PDF format or docx format. So these are the two formats mentioned, and the file size has to be less than 1 MB. Okay, so the file should not be very big. So once you have uploaded your resume, you have to scroll down and then select this. So you have to keep this relevant files checked always, and you have to click on this resume checkbox. So click on this and select that and click on save and continue. On the next page, you have to mention your how you got this, how you got to know about this particular job opportunity. So click on other, just mention Amigos app. Okay, mention the details. Select the country that you reside in, and after that you have to select the state that you are currently in. So I just selected Uttar Pradesh, and then just click on the city that you are in. So I'll just check whether Gautam Buddha Nagar is here or not. So this is Noida. So once I have selected, I'll click on save and continue. Then you have to just press on this submit button, and you will get this message: thank you, process completed. Once they will go through your resume and they find it relevant, they will send a link to your email ID. So please wait. You'll have to wait for some time. It's not something that they will do in a hurry. So probably 10-15 days or a month of time is quite okay, that you may have to wait for. And if you get shortlisted, you will get a mail from them. So all the best. I have shared the link to all the details in the description. Go through that and subscribe. I'll be updating more internship as well as freshers job updates from different companies like Cisco, Intel here on the channel. Okay, all the best.